everybody, welcome. Now then, that video I done yesterday, the colour was all like orange, weren't it? I think that's because I had my curtains drawn. So I've just moved around a little bit, see how we get on this way. So today I'm going to be doing something nice and simple. So pinch an arm. I'm going to be doing this. Hash brown breakfast bake. Now it's not really like a hash brown, is it? You know. So what I thought I'd do is do two. So I've got one with the potatoes, like it says, and I've got one with some hash browns. Why not, eh? And I'm going to cut them hash browns. I'll probably mash them up a bit and then sprinkle them on top. So I'll do one on top with the hash browns and one with the spuds. So what have we got? Well, I've got 5 hash browns there, and I've got 340 grams of spuds in 250 ml of water at the minute. I've got 2 beans. One's having all the beans, and the other one with just the hash brown. I'm just doing the sauce because Nat don't like beans, so then if she can have that one, I suppose. See what happens. I've also got 2 small onions on each one. They're both exactly the same. 8 rashers of bacon medallions, and I've just got a big punnet of chopped mushrooms. Saves me chopping them, and I'll just split them in half. That's all. So it's quite simple. That's the bacon I got from Aldi, and I also got you on a tablespoon of Worcester sauce, tablespoon of garlic granules, tablespoon of onion granules, and just a bit of salt and pepper. So how hard can it be? Now say with a, I don't know if I told you, with a, what they're called, hash browns, I put them in the air fryer for 5 minutes just to get them defrosted because they wasn't frozen. But first things first, it says, is get them, the potatoes, into the microwave for 7 minutes to get them soft. So I'll get them in the microwave first before we do anything else. Then we'll get the rest in the frying pan. Right, while they're in the microwave doing, I've already put my oven on. I'm going to get my pans on hot now. Well, I should be getting hot now. 1 spray. And I say just stick it all, because it all goes in together. 1 in each one. And just cook it all. 4 or 5 minutes till it's all cooked, it says. I think it'll take a bit longer than that. But it's quite a lot here. And it does say each one of these serves 6 people. So while it's cooking, you want a table of Worcester sauce in each one. Or to taste, I suppose. It's up to you. And get it cooking with it. So we'll let that cook away for 5 minutes. A bit longer, I suppose, but until it's cooked anyway. Smells really nice, that Worcester sauce. We'll let that do its thing. Right, the potatoes are done. There they are. 7 minutes I was in. That stuff will be ready in a minute. Now we've got to drain the spuds. Got me set a colander. Put them on there. And I've I've just pulled them apart. They look alright, don't they, like that? The hash browns. Now we want a little bit of garlic granules, onion granules on the potatoes, and a teaspoon of garlic granules as well. Why don't I just give that a shake? Chaos in the kitchen. Chaos in the kitchen. They're all done, ready. And I've got to do the same with the hash browns. I'll wash my hands first, give that a mix. So everything's ready now then. The stuff in there is ready. So I'll open these first. Chaos today, I'm absolutely all over the place. I did go a bit poorly again last night. When I was editing that video, it went really bad. Went light-headed and a bit and this morning, but I don't feel too bad now. But last night and this morning, it was terrible. Can't seem to shift this cold thing. That's them done. I've got 2 different bowls, so I know which one's which. There we go. Get quite a lot in here, to be fair to you. You do get quite a lot. I mean, it's full. I didn't think I'd get that much out of it, but I have. If you can see it properly. The kitchen's all steamed up. There's one. Now the next one. Get it in your bowls. Oh yes, that looks really nice. Smells delicious. So I'll show you. Now we want some beans. Which one shall I have? I'll have this big one here. So I'll put the beans and the sauce in this one. Pour it all over the top. There's that one. I'm just going to put the sauce in that one, so I'm just going to drain it. Drain away. I'll have them beans. I'll have them beans on toast. So they won't get to waste. I'll put them in a tub. I'm just going to put the sauce over this one for our nat. There we go. And then we've got to put the potatoes on. So I'm going to have the crunchy potatoes. I mean, I'm going to try both anyway. Just pile it on. And then just spray the top of it with a bit of one spray again. Or you could have done it while it was in there, I suppose, with oil in here. Just to give it a shake, but it says do it when it's on top. So follow the instructions on this one. And I'll sprinkle this one on top. Obviously you wouldn't eat all this, would you? You wouldn't eat all this on your own, would you? I mean, you might do, I suppose, but... And it does say you can freeze it as well. So, hash brown... what's it called? A hash brown breakfast or something, was it? Hash brown breakfast bake. That was it, word it was. There we go. Nuts. And mine, that looks a lot more better than mine, doesn't it? Looks a lot more appetising. And some one spray on top. Then in the oven for 15 minutes or until it goes crunchy brown. We'll see. So I'll get it in the oven now and we'll wait and see. Ooh, gonna itch now. 200 degrees or 220 degrees, 200 degrees fan. That's what it says. Right, I'll clean up while all that's doing. Right, they're ready. Well, the one's 100% ready. The other one, I don't know, I've looked at the picture. I'll show you in a minute. Let me get them out. There's the one. I'll show you in a second. Let's get the other one. Right, let me show you. Boiling hot, so I can't eat them yet. There's our nuts. I think it looks 100 times better with the normal hash browns. And there's mine. Now mine looks a bit anemic. It isn't crunchy. This is what I thought. But if you look at the book, it looks the same. So if you look at their spuds, look, they're not 100% all crispy, are they? So it's just like a little colour on the top. So, what I'll do, let them cool down for 5 minutes. Then we'll have a taste and then we'll see what they're like. Right, up the table. So let me give you a closer look now. Got the camera. So there we go. As you can see with them potatoes, look. That's what I say when I said there was hash browns. They're not really, are they? But that one is. That one looks lovely. That one's yours. Yeah, that one's better. And that's what they say they are, look. Hash brown breakfast bake. And the hash browns I've done, there was exactly the same calories as the potatoes. I've done 5 of them and it was the same as equivalent to the potatoes.
It smells lovely.
Smells nice. Right, so we're going to dish up. It's going to be boiling hot, so just be careful when you put it in your gob bag. Right.
Okay. Yeah.
That'd be nice on there. Nice bit of egg.
Thank you.
That's yours. Yeah, let me show you Nats. Now it's open. There's not a lot, is there? But it's a breakfast thing, isn't it? Don't forget, it's not a... You know, but that looks nice. It looks nice. I mean, there it is.
Oh, it's delicious.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Very nice. Now let me try mine. And I'll have a bit of both. I'll compare. I don't know if you want to try a bit of both.
No, thank you. It's got beans.
This one's got beans in. I didn't put beans in yours. I just put the sauce in.
The sauce smells.
Bean sauce, like. Oh, today's it.
Just try a potato off the top.
Yeah. Let me show you mine. There's mine. As I say, Nats looks 100 times better, doesn't it? Yes?
I don't know what potatoes on top of that.
You don't know what the potatoes on top of that? Let me have a try anyway and we'll see, eh?
Try that one as well.
I'll try this one first and I'll put that one. There's the spuds. They're not bad. They're not.
Yeah, but you wait till you taste this
But
one.
wait till I taste that one. They're not bad. They're cooked and all that. They're not bad. But it's the way it is, isn't it? Because it is a diet recipe. So it says 189 calories a serving. And that's why I've done the same hash browns as the potatoes.
I ain't just saying it because you've got beans in it. I prefer that one.
Let me try a bit of yours.
It's really nice. You'll notice a difference.
Let's see. Try a bit of that potato, that hash brown.
Get some of the juice as well.
Yeah, I can taste it.
It's so much better.
Yeah. Ow. Yours is a lot better. Yeah. The one with the normal hash browns is a lot better, ain't it?
Proper nice. It's yummy.
But that one, the one with the potatoes, is a diet one. Do you know what I mean? I mean, they're both the same calories, but the normal hash browns, I suppose, are a bit more calorie in them, ain't they?
But if you was going to do it again, I'd definitely have the hash browns on top.
The bacon's nice. Yeah, that's all that. You can have loads more, have some more, Bab. You want some? It's only 189 calories, 190 calories. You want some more?
Yes, it is.
It's
You eat some of yours.
not going to fill you up, is it?
You eat yours.
I'll eat any of them. I'm not too fussed, but I prefer yours.
You eat your dinner and I'll get out the dish
There you are.
myself.
You want yourself? Crack on.
Thank you.
Yeah, so let me show you again. There it is. Nats looks tastes a lot better, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's really nice. I like this.
So there you go, and you can freeze it, it says, let it cool down and freeze it, and have it for the next morning. So, for a breakfast, you know what I mean? If you do it on the night. Don't know if you can see it all there. I put it all there, I'll go up slowly. Get a pause on that and a zoom in, and you'll be able to read how to do it. There you go. Pinch an arm, everyday light. But I prefer yours. There we go anyway. So I was going to catch up with everybody's messages yesterday, but when I was on the set I felt ill again. I'll do it all today. Catch up with all your messages. So thanks for being patient with me, all of you, anyway. And I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. All the new subscribers, thank you so much. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye.